If you are getting bored with your older scrunchies, welcome to my channel. Welcome to this episode Crochet Scrunchies. I have taught here three type of scrunchies. You can make it very easily with your leftover yarn in just 5 minutes or 10 minutes as per your speed, but not more than that. Radhe Radhe friends, Radhe Radhe Mitron, welcome to my channel. I am Diksha. Welcome to my channel Diksha Artistry. Here we will make today together a beautiful scrunchie for your hair just in 10 minutes hardly. For this you have to need only three things: yarn, scissor and hook, and hair tie most important. Hair tie is very important because we have to make the scrunchie around it only. For this we have to make, this is first type of scrunchie. You can see this is ruffled fluffy scrunchie. This is ruffled fluffy scrunchie. For this you have to make single crochet all around, means single crochet many as your hair tie can take, because if we will stretch our hairband hair tie, then no empty space should be seen. So as many as you can make single crochet, make. After that make 3 chain, skip 1 stitch. After chain your first stitch should be skipped, then make 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Same stitch, after skipping 1 stitch, make 2 double crochet in the same next stitch. Same stitch, this is second double crochet. Then in next stitch make 3 double crochet in the same stitch. This is next stitch, this is first double crochet in it. Second double crochet in the same stitch. Third double crochet in the same stitch. Like this, the pattern should be 2 double crochet, then 3 double crochet. You have to repeat all this pattern all around, means 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. After that, after finishing the round, you will get like this pattern. Slip stitch to the first stitch for closing up the round, like this. Your scrunchie is complete in just 10 minutes. Your scrunchie is ready to wear. Enjoy the first scrunchie, ruffled fluffy scrunchie. It's too awesome. Wow, looking so nice, fluffy, curvy. Now we come to second. This is classic smooth scrunchie, means it is very simple. For this you have to take same material. After that join yarn with the slip stitch as you did before in the first scrunchie. For row 1 make single crochet all around like I did in first scrunchie. All the single crochet just to tie, join a yarn to the hair tie. Make single crochet. Our row 1 is complete. Join it with the help of slip stitch like this. Your base will complete. Then one chain. After that we have to make set of 4 stitches. It will take 4 stitches. One is slip stitch like I did. Then in next stitch make 2 double crochet, 1 and second in the same stitch. Then 2 double crochet again, but in the next stitch. 1 and 2. Then slip stitch in the next stitch. Means you will get set of 4. In first stitch slip stitch, in second stitch 2 double crochet, in third stitch 2 double crochet, and in fourth stitch again slip stitch. You will get one leaf type set which has 4 double crochet. You have to repeat this pattern only all around the circle. Like this you will get all the leaves. Fasten off the yarn. Your second scrunchie is ready to wear. Color is so pretty. Please comment in the description comment box which scrunchie do you like the most. Third scrunchie is seashore scrunchie. This is also easiest but little bit harder than the previous 2 scrunchies. For first row you have to repeat the same thing as you did in previous 2 scrunchies. First join the yarn with the hair tie, then make single crochet all around for row 1 because it is big scrunchies which is most favorable or most preferable for the bun. Whoever has long hairs who used to make bun, this scrunchie is best for them because it covers your whole hair. So for row first, single crochet all around, like this. It should be like this. Then slip stitch, chain 1. Second row is also same like first. You have to make single crochet all around. Like this. Then slip stitch, 1 single crochet in that space only, then make 4 chain, 3 and 4. After 4 chain, skip this stitch in which you have made single crochet space, skip that one and next stitch. After that make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip next stitch and then again make 1 double crochet, 1 chain. You have to repeat this same process all around, like 1 double crochet, 1 chain, skip next stitch, then 1 double crochet, 1 chain. Slip stitch to the first stitch for complete this row. then make 1 chain. Your 3 rows are completed. Then it's time for row 4. You have to make 1 single crochet, 1 chain, and single crochet in all stitches. Either it's space or either it's stitch. In every stitch you have to make 1 single crochet. Like this you will get the result. Slip stitch to the first stitch. 1 2 3 4 5 chain. After that we have to make V. What V? In which you have make the chain, make double crochet in that stitch, then 2 chain, again double crochet in the same stitch. You will get V like this. Skip 2 stitches, 2 chain, after that skip 2 stitches and then single crochet in the next stitch. This is the whole pattern. V, then 2 skip 2 stitches, then single crochet, then 2 skip 2 stitches, then V. This is 1 double crochet, then 2 chain, then again double crochet in the same stitch like this. This is V. Then make 2 chain, again single crochet after skipping 2 stitches, single crochet, then 2 chain, skip 2 stitches, then in third stitch make double crochet, 2 chain, again double crochet, likewise repeat the pattern for whole row, entire row. You have to repeat same pattern. If you like my video, if you like these scrunchies, do subscribe my channel for amazing more patterns, more designs and more ideas, and also suggest me in the comment box how do you like my style of making. Slip stitch to the first stitch, then 3 chain, in this V only, last row you have make V. In V only you have to make the pattern. Which pattern? You have to make 3 double crochet, loop double crochet in V. Make first loop double crochet, chain, second loop double crochet, chain, third loop double crochet, chain in the same V only. How do you have to make loop double crochet? For it you have to make yarn over, pull out of 2 only, yarn over, pull, take out of 2 only, yarn over, pull, take out of 2 only. When you have 4 thread in the hook, then pull out of 4. This is your loop DC. One more time, yarn over, pull out of 2, yarn over, pull, take hook out of 2, yarn over, pull, take hook out of 2. Now you have 4 thread, take at 1. Like this you will get 3 loop DC in one V, then chain 1 and make like this in all V. Repeat the same pattern in all V's. Like this you will get the whole scrunchie. Slip stitch to the first stitch and then fasten off the yarn. Your scrunchie is ready to wear. So pretty, so nice, especially for bun. You can also use it on ponytail, high ponytail, but on bun it looks superb. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for your love and support. If you like my video pattern, way of making, do subscribe my channel and share my video. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thank you.